Guys, welcome to another Unpacking Pokemon Card Sunday. We've got this one here, Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved. That's a Meowscarina, I think, of the new ones. I don't have all those down yet, so I believe that's who that is. If I'm wrong, of course, tell me down below in the comments, like and subscribe. I have watched a lot of Pokemon over the years. I have never played this game. I don't know how to play it. I haven't played any collectible card games, guys, so I don't know what to do with those. And if you see something here that looks cool in the cards, let me know down below, because I won't know anything about what's a cool card outside of what strikes my fancy. All right, guys? So let's unpack these, see what's in there. You see something good, let me know down below. I'm probably going to wind up selling these to a card store just to recover some of the funds I put out. That's about it. I'm not looking to make any money on this. I'm just trying to unbox these for the channel, get some views. If you guys like it, let me know. Of course, we'll keep doing it. We're going to do those Disney Lorcana cards soon, which I'm probably going to keep just because I love the way they look. And one of the guys I work with is saying that he wants to learn how to play, and I'm just going to get annihilated doing that because I don't understand it, I guess. Anyway, I'll see what's in here in 2 seconds with you, and you let me know what's in the pack that's good. All right, the foil package is the same thing. Nothing new to see there. Let's rip it open. All right, here we are, ready to rock. This is just that extra card that's always thrown in every one. I always include the code because I don't know if it does anything good for you, but if you want it, of course, there it is. It doesn't do anything for me. Here is card number 1, and of course, card number 1, like most of the packs we've opened, is a basic energy card. Nothing fancy there. Boom, out of the way. Next, let's get into it. We have Covetous Ivy, Forest Blast. It's not really a Pokemon. Well, I guess it is kind of a Pokemon. Wo-Chien. I don't really see it. Let me know what you think. Not familiar. It's a new one. I don't know. Anyway, on to the next card. Boop. Hit and Hide. This is Sudowoodo. So is he in the... Oh, yeah, there he is on the picture. Oh, nope. Right there. Sorry. Super cool. Elbow Strike. Does he have elbows? Sudowoodos have elbows? I thought they just had little branches. All right, Bramblin. I know that's one of the new ones. I remember seeing it in the game. Beyond that, that's all I know. All right. Boom. Let's open up BAP. Oh, Pissimian. Yeah. I know the Pissimian. Okay. Make the assist. I don't know what that is. Nothing fancy there. It's okay. This is not my favorite pack so far. We've done some good ones, but this is Spidops. Okay. I don't remember this one either. Is this a new one? It doesn't ring any bells, man. I'm outside the realm on these. I gotta play the game again. The video game, of course. This is the Farigiraf. They actually evolved the Girafarig, right? It's kind of weird. His tail goes over his head, and now he's got 2 faces. I don't know. Weird. Hey, Lit Leo. I know you. Super cool. Love it. Doesn't do anything for me as far as, like foil or anything like that. I remember that pack we pulled that had like a foil type card. I got all excited about that. Slowpoke. I love Slowpoke. Slow. And we're almost down and out of the pack. Oh, Magikarp. Super cool. That was a great idea when the game first came out, to come out with this weird Pokemon that's super weak, and then he turns into a monstrous beast. Love that idea. All right, and the last pack, or last card in the pack, I should say. Okay, do you pronounce this Dino or do you pronounce this Dido? Like the dog from the Flintstones. If you don't know what the Flintstones are, I'm sorry, I'm old. Anyway, that's it. Nothing super special in this pack. Nothing got me overly excited, but that's okay. We got another pack, of course, next week coming. And that's it. I'll share those with you when we do it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe. Are you excited for this Disney Lorcana that's coming? Do you see anything interesting in this pack of cards that I obviously don't know anything about? That's it. I will talk to you soon. Of course, another Sunday fun day with Pokemon card unpacking. Of course, I'm going to keep doing it because I like looking at them. You never know, you might find something really cool. And Saturdays, of course, are toy unboxings. Go back and watch yesterday's if you missed it. Every day of the week, Toy Hunt Shorts, video game play on the channel as well. Should be almost every day, but not every day because I know I've missed a couple. And that's it, guys. We will talk to you in the next video. I'll see you next week.